Me again. Welcome back to my channel. So I decided to just do this video before I unpack and just mess up the room basically. So this is just going to be a brief hotel room tour. Lodging at the Hotel Sky in Cape Town. It's so beautiful. I'm on the 21st floor. Bougie. But yeah, this is me. I'm just at the door. At the end of the last vlog, you saw me opening the door, so we're starting from there. Now, once you get into the room, you have towels over here. Then I made this merch from YouTube Black. It's a flask and it says YouTube Black, hashtag YouTube Black. And this sweet card as well. Congratulations on becoming a member of the YouTube Black Voices Creator Class 2023. We're so happy to be in your company and excited to see what the next year holds. Yeah, I'm excited as well. Over here you have this big ass mirror and two glasses. There's a sink as well with hand soap. This is from Charlotte Reese and lotion from Charlotte Reese as well. The mirror extends all the way down here and you have this top that you can just use to do your makeup and stuff. I'll set up my makeup in this area. You have two towels, one over there and another one here. You also have a safe under here just to keep valuables, and yeah, I put my code if I want to, and there are extra drawers. You also have a hair dryer, which is nice. Let's see what is inside here. Okay, it's empty. So moving on from that area, next is the toilet. Just open it. Very simple, modern looking toilet, and yeah, that's it with this area. Clean as well. I love the fact that the toilet and bathroom are not in the same room. I really like that about it. And over here you have the shower area. Shower head in silver, and then you have this horizontal thing design going on. In the shower you have complimentary conditioning shampoo, and I'm guessing this would be a shower gel. Yeah, I was right. Yeah, this is the shower control over here. There's also a towel here, so towels everywhere. Moving over to the lounge stroke room area, it's all demarcated and I really like that about it. I've never stayed in a hotel with this sort of architecture. It looks really good. You have this big ass mirror where I'm going to do my OOTD selfies. It's a full length mirror all the way down. Yeah, there's also a couch area. This is a long couch. I can just stay on, edit a video, just lounge basically. I love the design on the wall. The lighting is not the best. I'm guessing because of the color way they have in the room, but it's not bad. The walls are gray, so it doesn't emit light. The rug is gray as well, really dark. Over here is this chair, and this versatile desk can be used as a reading desk, can be used as a workstation, and a bunch of other things. This sheet contains like the hotel rules and everything you need to know. You have sanitizing wipes, you have serviettes, power switches. I love the fact that this is universal, even though I came with a universal adaptable. I love the fact that I don't have to use that. You have two mugs here and things for tea, premium ruby tea, and there's coffee, white sugar, and the likes. There's a waste paper basket here. I have to climb these stairs, and this is the best part of the room for me because I get to sleep on this gorgeous bed. You have the floral design on the headrest, looks really nice. Two lamps here and here, bed shades with the hotel logo, Hotel Sky, and yeah, looks really nice. I love the compact size. This is looking like a queen size bed. From this angle you can see what it looks like. Really nice. The same design on the wall going on, white and gray. Looks really nice. Oh, I remember I said my absolute favorite thing about this room is the bed. No, it's not the bed. Let me show you guys. My absolute favorite thing is the view. My goodness. In the last vlog, I said I actually prayed for a view, and I'm glad I got it. This is the popular table mountain. You know your girl always does her research before anything. I'm so happy that I get to see this for the next 3 to 4 days. And it stems all the way here, down there. Can't get over how blue their sky is. I've been saying it since I got here. That's my room for the next few days. I'm so excited. I forgot to show you all the TV down there. Let me go out. Okay, you can see it. Yeah. In the
They call me sassy when I'm strolling down the street. They call me classy when I'm serving just the best. I can be deadly when I find somebody lovely. And now I'm ready like a kitty in a dress. Don't call me mean.
Hello, good morning. So this is day 2 and we're headed for the beach for beach yoga. I'm ready. I even packed workout gear. Even if we're ever going to sleep, I was going to work out because I just want to stay active. I opted for this. Yeah, I'm wearing this Adidas shirt, pants, my sneakers, and I just have on my hoodie in case it gets really cold. This weather just reminds me of London in fall. I think around September-ish, that period. But with this one, it doesn't hurt your nose like you want to start bleeding. It's still very nice. So yeah. I didn't even have breakfast this morning. I just drank a lot of water and I also have water in my bottle. Nice. And a bunch of people in the bus. Ow! My hand. So I'll see you later.
Wish I had a tail. Wish I had a tail. Cause if I did, then I would swing it, be swinging it in front of you. If I had a tail. If I had a tail, yeah, it would.
How much this sun feel so where when the sun is your feel for. No, I don't.
Shitty car, but we hit the road. Doesn't matter where we go and destination unknown. I don't care where the motor stops. Cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go. Look around, where's the people at? I want
No! Ooh, ladies, you know what? I can't help it, but you fabulous, right? Taking
Having a mini heart attack.
Wow, what a wow. What a yes.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby. Yeah, Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby. It's 2 a.m. when we close the bar, but we're in the get-go. Next place, give me some more. I could dance with you beneath the stars. Cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want you.
And then exhale, fold. Open up the heart towards the sky. And then exhale, connect the hands towards the heart space again. The exhalation, fold. Flat back,
I'm gonna go in a little.
exhale, fold. Last time. Inhale, arms up. Exhale to fold. Inhale, flat back, hands on shin. On the exhalation, take your hands to the ground, get the right knee back. Lunge, reach the arms up. Okay, make sure that check that your front knee lines up with your front toe. And then from here, exhale there. 3 more, inhale. Remember, synchronize movement with your breath. Exhale, warrior 2. 2 more, inhale, reach your arms up. And then exhale. Last one, inhale. Straighten up the knees, reach the arms up, gaze towards the sky. And then exhale, back warrior 2. Now reverse your lunge.
I'll take a break because I'm tired. But they're almost done though. This is Greece in Africa. Santorini vibes. Until I visit, this is my version. So pretty. Hi. Hi. Kitty, 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 kitty. How are you? Oh, you're so cute. How are you? You're not even scared of people. Hi. What's your name? Kitty, kitty. Bye. Thank you.
I'm feeling happy, and moments ago I was only empty. What did you slip me? My heart is racing and I'm getting dizzy. There must be some complicated after effect of this. Will I wake up in your bed?
And I feel really good. My heart is pumping. I feel very energized. Yeah. So next is just going to shower and kickstart another activity. Hopefully something more fun. See you later.
I don't